Hi folks, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to discuss about the features of Edge. Now, to be honest, this is not kind of a selling a sponsored Microsoft video to sell Edge, but I thought of just sharing this because as you all know, Edge was rewritten using Chromium engine. The look and feel looks pretty much like Chrome, but however there are some good extra functionalities added to Edge. So let's go through all the features one by one. The first feature which I like to discuss is the sync turned on. So what does the sync do? The sync is basically helps you to synchronize multiple devices. It just also includes Office 365. If you have any home Office 365, or if you have a professional version, you can actually sync them and you can actually view your documents and Outlook all in one space, including your browser histories and other browser functionalities. So let's see how we can turn this on. So if you just go to settings, and if you go to it's phone and other devices, you do have a step-by-step instruction on how to set this up on multiple devices. If you go through this, it's quite easy to set them up. The next functionality is which I like to show is vertical tabs. So this is something which you could this is more like for user experience, more rather than having tabs on the top. You can have tabs on left or right, whichever you prefer. So let me turn the vertical tabs on, and you can add multiple tabs. So let me add a few tabs. One more. And what you can do is you right click, you can actually group them. So if you choose the color if you want to. Now let me name the group as let me name it demo. And yeah, that's been grouped now. So under demo, what I can do is I can just add all the tabs required under this group. And yeah, so those are grouped now. The next thing is F2l Developer Tools. First time when you turn it on, it's going to ask for this particular pop-up box, and then you decide what you want to do. I'm just going to go and choose remember my decision, and just going to open DevTools. If you look at this one, as I explained, it's based on Chrome engine, so the look and feel it's going to look pretty much like Chrome. So if you look at this, it's got elements, and if you go and if you can see all the other aspects what you expect to see in Chrome. So if console, source, network, performance, memory, applications, security, it even has got lighthouses. It looks like pretty much like what you see in Chrome. Let's choose console, see exactly same thing. Another one, the next function functionality I would say is the vertical tabs. You can put those vertical tabs into sleep. So what this does is this actually frees some resource, and it helps the performance as well. So let's see how we can actually set those vertical tabs to go to sleep. If you actually go to settings, and inside settings, if you go to systems, so inside systems you would see there's an option put inactive tab to sleep after the specified amount of time. I'm going to set it to 30 seconds as inactive, and let's see what happens. And if you see on the right, on the left, sorry, you would see all the tabs have actually gone gray, so which basically tells you those tabs are in sleep. So if you look at them, they're all gone gray. It also says it's on sleeping mode as well. So if you look at that one, it actually tells you this tab is sleeping to save resource, estimated saving of 8%. This is not just a memory or CPU resource, it also saves your battery resource, your energy resource as well. Yep, so this is about vertical tabs, and the next function which functionality to show is the web capture. What does web capture do? Is where you can take a snapshot of a website. So let me do it. So take a snapshot of the website, and if I actually go and right click, I can actually Markup Capture. If I click Markup Capture, And what I can do is I can highlight whatever I want to, and then if I just go, and I can either copy them or share them. If I click share, it gives me a list of options what you can share with. So you can either turn on, you can send it to send as an email, or I can copy a link. You can do whatever you want to. So this is, and also what you can also do here is you can actually erase them if you want to, and give it back. Another really exciting functionality is, this is probably the last one we'll discuss now, is reading mode. So this is something which does not really exist in other browsers, where Edge has got this. So how to turn this reading mode on? So if you look at this web page, it's got a lot of noises here. It's got tabs and everything, so a lot of distractions for a reader. So let's see how to turn this on. If I actually go on the top, if you click that icon there, and that's basically your reading mode turned on now. And not just turning on reading mode, it's also got some options there where you could use the grammar tools. Inside grammar tool, you would see like there's a lot of options. You can have nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs. So let me go and turn on a few of these labels and see what happens. So we turn this verbs, adjective on. And if you notice, actually on the web page itself, the color has changed. So it resembles the color which we turned on for verbs, adjectives, and other things we turned on. If you scroll down a bit, you can see all these words tells you what type of grammar definition it's got. So the next one you can do here is you can actually change the page theme. You can change the theme if you want to. And also there is a read loud, which you click read loud, which actually prompts the word for you. Yeah, so that's it, folks. So this is just Edge functionality in a nutshell. Try Edge and let us know how do you feel. Please leave your comments in the comment section. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. For time being, signing off from you. Thank you.